Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that tries to be a foldable and it failed. Let's fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to evaluate the damage on this smartphone. And as you can see there, it's been hit on the middle part and it's got a line running through the display. And we need to replace the entire screen. So we have removed the S Pen and we are gonna remove the back cover to gain access to the internal components. And this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the uber powerful Galaxy flagship smartphone. And it's not gonna be easy to remove the back cover. But David here is our Galaxy expert, so it's no problem for him. Just a few tools and alcohol and years of experience. We are gonna remove this back cover without any issues. We should be very careful. The back cover is in pristine condition. There's no damage on it. And it's made up of glass. If we slip, we can crack and introduce more damage to the smartphone. We don't want that to happen. We're gonna unscrew the screws that's holding on to this wireless charging module. We're gonna detach some cables. Also gonna remove some screws on the daughter board because they are connected. So if you're not familiar with smartphone internal components, the quality of a Samsung Galaxy S series smartphone is very good compared to their A series, and rightfully so, because it's a flagship device and it costs more to produce. And you will see how easy it is to replace the entire screen. So when you replace the screen of a Galaxy S22 Ultra, you're also going to replace the housing that is located on the side of it. So everything that we are going to remove from the old display, right from the back of it, we are going to transfer. And you can see here our replacement display is working with the existing motherboard. So it's safe for us to continue. We're going to properly shut it down now because we can now access the menus. And going to detach it. Also gonna unscrew some screws on the daughter board. Remove the SIM card tray. Put that to the sides. Next up, we're gonna focus our attention to the main board. This is gonna be the most expensive part of the entire device. I'm gonna detach some connectors and then put that also to the side. And the last main piece, I guess, is the battery. This is our replacement display. We have a lot of covers, tapes. I'm gonna transplant the small things first. Screw them back in. Main board is gonna go in next. Then the front camera, also gonna put that in. It is best to follow these steps because we don't want some parts just roaming around our workbench here. So as we remove some parts, we are also going to transfer them directly to the new display. That is why we haven't removed the battery yet. gonna go in last because all the cables are gonna go over it. Then they're gonna connect them all back together, cover it up. I really love watching Galaxy S22 Ultra's S series smartphones getting fixed because they just make sense. They just make sense as a smartphone repair enthusiast. Some smartphones you have parts all over your desk and you need a Galaxy brain to track all of them. And here we finally see our final product, and it looks like a brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra. No one will know unless they open it or look at the back of it. Everything in the inside and the back cover are all used components. The brand new ones is the housing and the display, of course, which is the first thing you'll notice on any smartphone. So it looks like we have done it. David has done it. No surprises there. We have expected it to be successful every time. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope this gives you a bit of information or entertainment. You can like and subscribe. Follow us for more videos like this one. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.